Mangrove Jack's here, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to make beer or cider with the Mangrove Jack starter kit. Inside the kit you'll find equipment to mix, ferment and bottle your beer or cider, a beer or cider kit, and beer or cider enhancer, and easy to follow instructions to guide you from start to finish. First, set up your fermenter by screwing the tap into the drilled hole. Then stick the thermometer strip on lengthways just above the 5 litre mark. Fill the fermenter with water just past the tap line to check for leaks. Next, you'll need to sanitize your equipment by following the mixing and usage instructions on the sanitizer included with your kit. This step is crucial in giving your brew the best chance of success. Once your equipment is sanitized, you're on to the fun part, mixing up the brew. Before you jump in, make sure you read through the instructions included with your beer or cider kit and take note of the amount of water needed and the ideal fermentation temperature. When it comes to the water you're using, make sure it's high quality drinking water. If you can taste chlorine, you may want to switch to bottled water. Add boiling water to your fermenter, followed by the extract from the beer or cider kit, and your beer or cider fermentable. To make it easier to get all the extract out of your pouch or can, you can pour in a small amount of boiling water and stir inside the pouch or can to help loosen it up. Once all the extract and the additional fermentable are in the fermenter, stir thoroughly to mix. Top up the fermenter with cool water to the volume indicated in your kit instructions and give the contents a good stir. Check the thermometer strip to make sure the brew is within the correct temperature range per your instructions. Take a sample of the brew, making sure you fill the sample tube enough for the hydrometer to float and measure the specific gravity. You may want to write down the starting gravity reading in the notes section of your starter kit instructions. Open the yeast sachet and sprinkle it over the brew surface and stir. Secure the fermenter with its lid, then fit the airlock half filled with previously boiled and cooled water or sanitizer solution. Leave your brew to ferment per the temperature stated on your beer or cider kit instructions. Once fermentation is complete, take another specific gravity reading. Make sure the reading is at or below the expected finished gravity indicated on your kit for 2 consecutive days. If not, leave it for a few more days and check again. Once the specific gravity reading is stable, it's time to bottle your brew. First, sanitize your bottles and brew bottler as per the instructions on the sanitizer included with your kit. Next, fit the brew bottler to your tap and open the tap, allowing the brew bottler to fill. Stick the brew bottler into the bottle and press it against the base of the bottle to start filling, stopping when you have approximately 3 centimeters of headspace. Next, add your priming sugar or carbonation drops. Seal your bottles and store them in a warm place for 2 weeks before moving them to a cool, dark place for a further 7 days. Serve chilled and enjoy while you decide what to brew next.